Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting to the putting green and immediately opening the pre-shot menu. Do that now. Choose your putter and stance, then enable the putt preview overlay with the control prompt. This projects brake and speed cues. Look for slope vectors and grain indicators across the cup line. Once done, lock your camera view so the overlay remains stable while you test aim and pace. This first step gets you actionable data rather than guessing. Now you interpret what the preview shows. Follow its break lines to choose an aim point about 1/2 to 1 ball width off the hole depending on severity. Next, translate the preview's roll distance cues into your power meter. Add more stroke for downhill, ease off for uphill. Make a couple of practice strokes while watching how the preview predicts roll. This aligns your muscle memory to the visual data. Then commit to a confident, smooth stroke based on both aim and power. Finish by committing to a steady stroke. Keep your eye on the preview until the moment of contact and trust the chosen aim and pace. If the putt misses, toggle alternate preview modes or shift your aim by 1/4 of a ball width and retry to see the change. Make sure controller sensitivity isn't causing overcorrection. If odd, recalibrate inputs and replay a few demo putts to rebuild timing. This troubleshooting step quickly identifies if issue is red, aim, or input.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.